Hi students, so before I read you the book Chrysanthemum, and you might have watched that video, and in this book we learned about a story of this girl here that had the name Chrysanthemum, and she really liked her name at the beginning, but once she started school she realized that some of the kids in her class thought her name was a bit funny because she was named after a flower. In the end, they realized that Chrysanthemum's name is actually pretty cool. So today I will be teaching you about the parts of a plant. So we'll start off with roots, then stem, leaves, and then flower. So the roots are these brown parts, and roots are underground. They help hold the plant together and absorb water and minerals. So whenever it rains, the water goes underground, and then the roots take in that water for the plant to grow. There's also minerals on the ground that the roots take up for the plant. The next part is the stem, and that's this long green part here in the middle. And the stem helps the plant stay standing. It also helps carry water from the roots to the rest of the flower. So the water that the roots take up then go through the stem, and they go to the top and to these parts here. The next part of a flower is called the leaf. Leaves are these light green parts, and leaves are attached to the stem and they help the plant breathe. So there's air, a type of air that goes into these leaves that helps the plant breathe and survive. The last part of the plant is called the flower, and that's this top part, and the flower of the plant contains seeds. It can also have petals. So this brown part is where the seeds would be, and here, the yellow part, those are called the petals. And if you can remember in the book, Chrysanthemum had a nightmare where she thought she turned into an actual chrysanthemum flower, and her classmate Victoria plucked her and then was trying to pluck all her petals. So that's similar to this. And for example, in a rose, the red part of the rose in the flower, those are called the petals. And here I have an example of my plant, and it's fake, but I'm going to show you the different parts. So down here in the pot would be the roots, right? Because they are underground. The stem would be this brown part here. So the color of stems can change, or they can be different for different plants. So this one's brown. I drew mine yellow, but they can be different. And then these green parts here that are sticking out, this one and this one, those are called the leaves, and that's where air can go in for the plant to breathe. And then the actual flower is this pink part here, and that's where the seeds are, and these are the petals. So now it's your turn, where you can go outside if you can, and you can find a leaf. You can maybe take a video of it and show me the different parts. You can find a flower and take a video and show me the different parts, or you can sketch it and then label the parts, or you can just search one up online that you like and show me the different parts of the plant. Remember, you can show me the roots, the stem, leaves, and the actual flower.